Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you are looking for some chafing dishes to keep food hot and warm, this video is for you. So what we have here are four chafing dishes, and I'm gonna give you all the details about it. So these come in three different finishes: a rose chrome look like this. There's also gold and silver. Very, very nice and shiny. This is a stainless steel silver. They are easy to assemble. Basically, you have the stand, the lid holder, which just clips in here and goes like this. So from a display standpoint, it is a nice professional look. Keeps us out of the way. Nice large handle. These screw in. No tools are provided. Everything comes with this. The reflection and finish on this is, I would say, like a little bit over the top. I mean, these things are very shiny. Looks very nice. The top section here holds 5 quarts. So 5 quarts of whatever dish that might be served. The bottom section, which is this, is the part that holds the water. There is a max and minimum ideal water level, which will give you about 6 hours of, let's just say, heating time. And that is done via sterno. Now the sterno, which would go in this is like the little things you put in there and you light it and it gives off a flame. These slide nice and neat in there in a nice little set spot for these. Pretty cool and convenient. Everything's built to kind of go together. It also has, which is really nice, these built-in lids. So this goes on top. So the sterno goes inside, this clamps down, and then this can be sealed. So when the sterno is lit, you would just pull this off the side, light the sterno, take it, and then slide it, put it under there nice and neat, and then it will keep this warm. And then when you want to put out the flame, you just close it up, and then the sterno will go out. And it has a nice look to it, so you don't have the, let's just say, not so pretty looking sterno just sitting there. It's all nice and enclosed and gives off a very nice appearance, more of an elegant style presentation type standpoint when it comes to a serving dish. Everything comes together nice and neat. Slides in there, dropped in. All of these have different lips to kind of hold them in place. This has its place. This fits in there nice and neat. And then this comes out. So everything comes out to allow for easy cleaning and putting things back together. Just super nice quality. From a size standpoint, these are roughly 14 inches wide. And they sit roughly 9 or so inches tall. They can also be stacked together like this to kind of make best use from a storage standpoint. They all kind of fit inside each other nice and neat. Again, the holders here on the side can just slide off just like this. They slide off. So from a storage standpoint, if you needed a tighter area, cabinet, cupboard, or whatever it is to be able to put these in, you have that option as well. When stacked in this arrangement, they sit roughly 17 inches in total height. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, give us your honest review. So in summary, these things will keep items warm for about 6 hours. The presentation, by far, is the biggest plus with these, with this very nice stainless steel finish. This again is the rose gold look. There's rose, there's gold, and there's silver, but this is just, just looks like luxury. Definitely a presentation worthy standpoint when it comes to presenting food, and having these the sterno holders with the covers that will put out the flame, all nice and convenient. Very, very nice. I would say on the higher end spectrum, if you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully this answers all the questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.